Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. So a few months ago you saw me do a few PS5 controllers where I installed, I think it was a few Hall effect sticks. I got a few of them back because they ran into issues. So as you see, the sticks are kind of, not really working properly. And I think it's the same with this one. It may look fine, but it's also not working properly, so like, if you look close up, you'll see like this one's good, but this one is kind of shot. Nevertheless, in the past few months, Hall effect sticks kind of, I guess, became not a thing anymore, and now we have TMR sticks. So I got 3 of the popular ones. So I got these blue ones, which I think are the K Silver Hall effect TMR sticks, I believe they're called. Yeah, they say it. You probably can't see it, but it says it right there, K Silver. So I got a bunch of K Silver ones. I got these, which I think are the Gulikit TMR sticks, and of course I got everyone's favorite expensive Gulikit TMR kit. So I think these are the 3 most popular ones that are out there right now, or at least that I could find. If you know any better ones, leave them down below. I'm more than happy to try them in other PS5 controllers when I get them. But what we're going to do today is take these controllers apart. I have another controller somewhere. I'll install, I guess, K Silver in one, Ginfull in one, and the expensive Gulikit ones in one, and we'll see how they perform, I suppose. And if there's a follow-up video to this down the line, then we know they also don't perform as well as the Hall effects didn't either. So yeah, let's take this apart and just get going.
And while we do that, I would like to say thank you to today's sponsor, PCBWay, the premier destination for top quality printed circuit boards. In a short span, PCBWay has become the go-to choice for seamless online ordering, rapid prototyping, and unparalleled customization. From hobbyists like myself to industry leaders, PCBWay has earned the trust through its commitment to precision and reliability. Cutting-edge technology and a skilled team ensure that every PCB meets the highest standards. Beyond circuits, PCBWay fosters a vibrant community of creators, turning ideas into reality. Join the innovation wave with PCBWay, where quality meets ingenuity.
Alrighty, so we got it taken all apart. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on here. So, these are the 6. Left one seems, oh no, never mind. Yeah, this one just completely lost. I don't know much about sticks, but it feels like going down it lost its like elasticity. Is that the word I'm looking for? It's like a rubber band. It feels like the tension, like you see how this one has tension to bring it back. This one just completely lost it. Either way, I'm gonna replace them. So I think the Ginfull ones were the cheapest. I'll leave a link and a picture to where I purchased them from. We're gonna do the Ginfull on this one. So my method is I like putting it on my little Taco vise, Omni vise. We lock her down. Add a little flux. Since this is leaded, I'm just going to heat it off. I'll clean the pads using solder wick. Stick the new one on, solder, anchor the 4 main points. Make sure it's even, and then do the same there. And hopefully that'll give us good connection. So let's do that now. Okay, so now that we got both sides cleaned up, I'm gonna install the TMR sticks. Yeah, this is what it looks like. They're like all orange. So yeah, so like I said, I like to anchor down one on each side so that way it doesn't move and it's like, you know, fully uniform and flat. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna push down from the top side, or in this case the bottom, tack that one in, and I'm gonna do the same on the opposite side. And that's it. Once they're all tacked in, now I'm just gonna go and tin each point. There we go, all done. So I'm gonna clean it up and put it back together, and we'll calibrate it and all that fun stuff. Alrighty, we got our controller back as much as we want it to be, and by we I mean me. So welcome to the beautiful world of dual shock calibration GUI. That's what you use to calibrate your PS3s. PS5 controller, I keep saying PS3. I'm gonna just connect her up, and we'll see what we get. So they're obviously out of center, that's fine. We'll go through our center calibration. And we'll do the stick range first. So it looks like we're currently at 921, 1099, so you just gotta keep going to get to where you want it to be. $689, $821. What's this one? Oh, so this is a new one. I'm not gonna mess around with this because I don't know how that works. Yeah. So we're at 755 and 7 and 1013. So it looks like 586961. So it looks like we're sticking around that area. Yeah, so it looks like I'm getting between 5 and 7 and 8 and 10 on the right. Wish they were a little bit more better, but I'll stick with that and I'll keep calibrating off screen. So it seems like these are pretty much the same as the Hall Effect one. If anyone knows what this fine-tune stick calibration in beta is, let me know, because I don't want to mess around with it since I don't know what it is. But yeah, on to the next one. Next up is this beautiful pink controller. Same thing, they all had Ginfull. I'm gonna do the K Silver ones next. So I got a bunch of these. I'll also leave a link to these. They were hard to get at first, I think, because maybe they were one of the original TMR sticks. So yeah, we'll install these and see how these go. So far, not impressed with the Ginfull. Maybe I'm doing calibration wrong. If you know a way I'm doing it incorrect, please let me know and I will recalibrate them, since it's not that difficult. So I'm not going to bore you with the beautiful taking apart, putting it back in. We'll just come back once we have it together and we'll test calibration. Alrighty, so I got the cake silver ones done, so the blue eyes and the pink controller, and better results than the Ginfull TMRs. So left I'm getting 3.23, right I'm getting 5.73. I could probably even go lower. And if you look at this beautiful round, it's nice and uniform. I think that's what we're looking for here. I could probably go again and get this, but I think these are really good. Honestly, these are better than the Ginfull ones, or at least the ones I got. Next up will be the Gulikit, which I think should be by far the best ones because they come with their own guide and stuff. So we'll check that one out next. So the last one is the Gulikit. Many of you know these. They sell them on iFixit. I got these from AliExpress, I think. I must have paid like 17 to 20 bucks. I'll leave the link to the seller I got it from. I think these are like supposed to be the best ones out of all of them, but of course they're more expensive, so I lied. There is no guide, but you know what it says there. This kit is only for repair use on game controllers. Low power feature, same as carbon film joystick. High durability and long life by contactless and wear-free TMR sensor. TMR is effectively only for a single direction of magnetic field lines, providing better interface resistance. KK ring joy caps for easy stick cap placement, super smooth. You get 2 joysticks and 2 caps. So these guys. So these caps are gonna be replacing these caps on here. So I have no idea. I think these are the best. So far the K Silver to me are the best bang for the buck. I think I must have paid like 27 bucks for 10 of these, so 5 controllers. The Ginfull that I came in here was like 3 bucks, 4 bucks for 2, and I don't think they're that good. Let's see how the Gulikit turns out. Alrighty, so we got the Gulikit done. So the interesting thing about these is the analogs, the stick covers or the caps, they look similar to these, but they're they have an extra like rib in them, like over here and over here, that when it sits down it like clicks into place. So this is how the original look compared to the new ones. So they feel slightly more textured but less rubbery than these. Interestingly enough, if we look on the screen, we're getting 3.7 on the left, 3.64 on the right, so they're very consistent with each other. Like with the Ginfull, they always seem, even with the Hall effects, that one side, I don't know, depending on which ones you pull, you can get one that's off and one that's not. These are practically the same. Like I'm 0.04 more on the left than the right, and I'm pretty sure if I keep going I can probably get it to be exact. Even though these are so good, I do feel like the K Silver are the best bang for the buck. What I was getting similar, 3, 4, 5, and I'm pretty sure if I keep going with the K-Silvers, I'll also get that. So I think overall, I didn't like the Ginfull. I feel like they gave me the highest ever. Maybe it's something to do with batching like it was for the Hall effect. The Gulikit I think is cool, but for 17 to 20 bucks to get a pair for this, you can get like 10 of these and do 5 controllers. Even better, you can get 10 of these and probably keep installing different ones until you get a perfect patch. So yeah, that's what it's like using TMR. They seem better. Well, they didn't seem... They're easier to calibrate, in my opinion, than the Hall effects. Like, I did 2 to 3 calibration ranges, and I'm pretty sure if I figured out this fine-tuned stick calibration, I could probably get it even better, even faster. But I don't know how to do it. So yeah, I feel like they're better in that sense than the Hall effects. Less messing around. But I think I would say go with the K-Silver. Go with these blue guys over this guy, unless if you're doing it for yourself and you want the best, then this is probably the best for this. But yeah, that's just my opinion. If you know any other TMR sticks, let me know down below. I'll get more and keep testing, I don't care. If you know how to fine-tune a stick, also let me know. That's pretty interesting. As always, like, comment, subscribe if you thought this was useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll try my best to answer. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one, whatever that may be. See ya.
I can't fall to sleep, my mind just keeps